Can I just mention, though, because
Please.
we're both so interested in taxes, that the Neera Tanden pick really set off bells in my mind. And I haven't seen anybody commenting on this, but she was the principal architect of the Hillary Clinton tax plan in 2016 that I wrote about quite a bit. And I have to say, I mean, put aside liberal or conservative, almost everybody I interviewed thought this tax plan was crazy. It had these incredibly complicated capital gains. Remember that the tiers, if
yes.
you held it for 1 year, it was one rate. There were like 7 different categories based on how long you held an asset. I don't think Clinton herself was ever that interested in tax policy and kind of handed this over to Tanden. At least that's what the people had told me then. And I have to say, this made me nervous. Now, I don't know that as head of management and budget, she would have much to do with tax policy, but I don't have any confidence that she should be in control of that.
That's interesting. You know, of course, when it comes to tax policy overall, Jim, we may start to hear from the Republicans and what still seems to likely be a Republican-led Senate that they're very worried about budget deficits again, all of which means the Biden administration may not be able to get through anything in the way of its plan on tax reform.
Well, it's hard for me to believe that are the Republicans really going to pivot and suddenly start worrying about deficits again? We haven't heard a peep out of them for the last 4 years on that front. You know, people like Paul Ryan are long gone. I think intelligent spending is what we have to look forward to, and I hope Republicans will support that as well. I mean, Trump himself campaigned on infrastructure investments, and we didn't get much of that. But Biden has also pledged that. And intelligent investments in infrastructure should be viewed as an investment in the future, not just spending. It's not like giving the money away and it goes. You get a return on that investment. So I at least personally hope that Republicans can get behind intelligent spending proposals.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.